The clouds are in place and they're looking good. But if you scrub through the clip, you'll notice that the clouds are static while the foreground moves due to camera motion. The clouds should travel with the foreground, so you'll use motion tracking to solve this problem. Press the Home key or move the current time indicator to the beginning of the time ruler. Select the close shot layer in the timeline panel. Right-click or control-click on the layer and choose Track and Stabilize, Track Motion. After Effects displays the close shot layer in the layer panel and makes the tracker panel active. In the tracker panel, select the position, rotation, and scale options. After Effects displays 2 track points in the layer panel. The outer box in each track point represents the search region, the area After Effects scans. The inner box is the feature region, what After Effects is searching for. The center X is the attach point. Click an empty area in the inner box, that is the feature region, for the first track point. Drag the entire track point to the corner of the house on the left. You want to track an area with strong contrast. Click an empty area in the feature region of the second track point and drag the entire track point to the peak of the roof across from the first track point. In the tracker panel, click Edit Target. Then in the Motion Target dialog box, choose 3.storm_clouds.jpg from the Layer menu, and then click OK. After Effects applies the tracking data to the target layer. In this case, it will track the motion of the close shot layer and apply that tracking data to the storm_clouds.jpg layer so that they move in sync. Click the Analyze Forward button in the tracker panel. You may need to scroll down to see all the options in the panel. After Effects analyzes the positions of the tracking regions frame by frame to track the camera movement in the clip. When the analysis is complete, click Apply in the tracker panel. Click OK to apply the data for both the X and Y dimensions. Switch back to the Composition panel. Scrub through the timeline. The clouds move with the foreground elements. Hide the close shot layer properties to keep the timeline panel tidy. Because you selected Scale in the tracker panel, After Effects resized the layer as necessary to sync it with the close shot layer. The clouds are no longer in the same position, so you'll adjust the anchor point for the layer. Select the Storm Clouds layer in the timeline panel. Press the A key to display its anchor point property, and change the anchor point position to 313 and 601. Press A to hide the anchor point property, and then choose File and Save to save your work so far.